Very good morning, students. Today we will discuss about disability etiquettes. First of all, I will tell you what is disability etiquettes. Disability etiquettes is a set of guidelines deal with how to approach with the disabilities. This is a some set of guidelines which tell us how to deal with the disabled person, how to interact with disabled person. There is a some guidelines, there is a some rules uh, which are made by disability right movement that is begun in early 1970s, who tell us how to deal with a disabled person. This is our disability etiquettes. There is a some guidelines, there is a some kind of rule which are meant by disabled right movement, which is begun at early 1970. The rule of etiquette for dealing with disabled person are generally same as the rule for good etiquette in the society. There is a no different kind of rule which we have show for disabled person. This is a similar rule that we have show in our society. That is when we are living in a society, there is a certain type of rule which we are followed. Similarly, there is a certain kind of rule which are made for disabled person. There is a not different rule or not any other kind of rule which we are followed to which we are following in a society. So there are similar kind of etiquettes, there are similar kind of rules, there are similar kind of guidelines which we have followed when we are living in a society. Then there is some commandment of etiquette with disabled person. Then there is some kind of when we meet with a disabled person, how to talk with them, how to always offer to shake hand. And there is some type of rule, like first is talk directly. Speak directly to the person rather than through a companion. We do not need any companion to talk with the disabled person. You have to talk directly with the person who are disabled. Then second is offer to shake hand. Always offer to shake hand when a person are disabled. Ask before you help. If you offer assist, wait the offer is accept. Always wait for some time. When the disabled person ask them to help me, then you help the person. Not before they need a help, you go and drag the wheelchair of a person. Then you will show the person is disabled. Don't feel them he is a disabled person, he do not perform anything. So try to, when they ask your help, then you come and help them. Then next is do not touch or lean on wheelchair. Do not touch the wheelchair of a disabled person. If a person is a two leg disabled, don't touch their wheelchair. Listen them carefully. Don't be harsh when they're talking with you. Don't be uh, angry when they're talking with you. You have to listen them very carefully and show some etiquettes to them. Speak clearly and slowly, or use sign body language for hearing disability. When a person who are hearing disability, show some signs of your hand, your body, so that they can understand what are trying to say, what you are trying to say. They can easily understand when you show the hand movement and your body movements. So this type of etiquette you have to shown with the disabled person. Now next is the people who use wheelchair or other mobility device. How our etiquettes towards the people who use wheelchair or other mobility device. People who use wheelchair have different disability and level of, different abilities and level of disability. The people who use wheelchair, there are different abilities and have different disabilities. Some can use their arm and leg, and some cannot. The person who use wheelchair, some use their legs, for some use their hand to move their wheelchair. Some may be able to walk short distance. Some are walk for a short distance. First and foremost, remember that a person in a wheelchair is an individual, and the wheelchair is not equipment to that person. The wheelchair is a part of their person. So how our etiquettes toward a person who are in wheelchair? First, do not push or touch a wheelchair without the permission of the person. Do not touch the wheelchair of the person. The chair is a part of their personal space. The wheelchair is a part of the personal space of a disabled person. This is a personal part of uh, who help them to move from one place to another. Touch the chair or trying to help without instruction could not cause the person to fall out the chair or the pass to come loose. So when you see a person who are disabled and use wheelchair, do not try to touch their wheelchair or push their wheelchair without the permission of the person. Second, keep the ramp and wheelchair accessible, door unlock and unblock. According to American Disability Association, sign should be marked and mark the entrance. Object should not be blocking ices and boxes and should never be kept or stored or ramps. Be aware of the person reach limits. Try to keep object the person will need well with the reach. When talking to a person in a wheelchair, trying to position yourself at their level whenever possible. You have to uh, adjust yourself according to a person who in a wheelchair. You have to adjust your position so that you have interact with each other comfortably. This is another etiquettes. Be sure to mark hallways that signs mark accessible routes. Now always ask before helping. Always ask them, may I help you? If they need some help, if they want some help, then they will say, yes, please help me. Then you have to help the person. Then you have to help a disabled person. Arrange from appropriate sitting. You have to arrange an appropriate sitting for a disabled person. Fall can be very dangerous. Take every precaution to warn of wet floor or place matting down for security. If a person is a wheelchair, if they fall from the wheelchair, this is very dangerous for a person who are disabled. So we can make sure, and when you are help the person, make sure you have to read the each and every instruction very carefully. If the floor is wet, do not drag the wheelchair. If you have, if there is a matting or there is a some kind of uh, wet space, do not go there. Then next, for person with canes or crunches, wall railing would be welcome addition. Be prepared to offer a hand when need, but ask, can I help you? You always ready to help a disabled person, but firstly you can ask them, can I help you? Without any asking, you do not come and help them. First of all, you have to ask them, may I help you, sir? Can I help you, sir? Then if they said, yes, I need your help, then you have to help a person. So student, this is some there are some etiquettes which we have followed. There are certain rules which we have followed towards a disabled person. I hope you will understand the topic. Thank you. Have a good day.